How to make transparent text effect inside Davinci Resolve. I'm in the edit tab, I'm having a main footage and I'm going into titles and I'm adding a text plus title over my footage. I'm adjusting the length, making sure it is in the same length as my main footage, highlighting the title, going into the inspector, I'm typing the desired text that I need. Also, I'm choosing a font. I'm also increasing the font, making it bolder, and also the size of the overall text. After making sure everything is fine, you need to go in settings in here in the inspector and also scroll down until you see the compulsive mode, and then you can scroll down and select difference. Now I'm going to preview to see what we're having so far. Quick and easy, nice transparent text, and also as an addition, while still your text is highlighted, you can go and change the color to see how it changes the color of your transparent text based on your main footage colors in the background. So let's leave it in bluish and see how it looks. Nice and easy effect in Davinci Resolve. I hope it was helpful. You can also watch this video right here. I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.